lady.
Hi, Birdie.
Lawrence. They like ladies.
Oi.
These are the ones that I told you I was going to catch.
Oh, okay. Oh, look how they're kissing each other. Oh, mommy, look. They're feeding each other.
You catch the whole of me, or you just catch my hand?
I got everything. I got you close up and back.
Oh, they're feeding each other.
Oh, okay. You want me to be in it too?
Okay, now. It'll pick on because you want to go. You want? You know, again, no. Oh, they got ring around their foot.
Yeah. Look, they're all me. Yay.
Why don't you drink on and give this?
Ooh. Ay, ay, ay. Oi, look. Ooh.
Drink.
You got a triple load.
Yay. I got four of them.
Drink, simple.
You're biting me, bird.
They're feeding each other.
Oh, Lord. I'm getting scared now.
Whatever you do, don't do it on me.
What are you guys doing?
We're feeding them.
I'm right here. I never fed birds like this before, and they came to me. They came to me and they're eating, they're drinking. These birds stay on a liquid diet.
Mmm.
Come. Yeah, right here. Right here, see?
There's no more. There's no more, buddy. You gotta come and sit down.
Okay, I'll
Let me be dancing. It was dancing on my mom just now, Mark.
Well, I'm ready. I see you doing way up here. Huh? The food is here, not on my shoulder.
It's laying down on my shoulder. Look. I don't even like you, Mark.